Hello everyone! For today's video, I will be teaching you how to create a shortcut on your iPhone. For this simple tutorial, the first step you have to do is open Shortcuts on your phone. Once you've opened Shortcuts, you will be led to this page where you will see all the available shortcuts on your phone. On the bottom part of your phone, you'll see a panel where there is Shortcuts, Automation, and Gallery. To create a new shortcut, press the shortcuts icon at the bottom panel, and at the top right corner of your screen, you'll see a plus sign. Once you're here, you can press the action that you want your phone to perform once you press the shortcut. For example, you can choose Send Messages. For example, if you press Send Messages, you can also choose the person you want to send a message to directly once you press that shortcut. You can press the recipient's button that is colored blue to change the person that you want to send the message to. And just like that, you already have a new shortcut on your phone, and you can save it by pressing the Done button at the top right corner of your screen. Once you go back to the home page, at the top part of your screen, you'll see the shortcuts that are available on your phone. These are previously created shortcuts, including the new one that you just created. Now, if you do not know what type of shortcut to create, just press the gallery icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and here you'll see different templates or possible shortcuts. Just like starting a Pomodoro by saying, "Hey Siri, start Pomodoro," or other options such as markup and send, batch add reminders, meme maker, and many more. Feel free to explore these options and templates for you to create the best shortcut on your phone. And that's how easy it is to create a new shortcut on your iPhone. If this video helped you, as always, don't forget to press like and subscribe. We hope to see you again on our next videos.